Hello and welcome, guys. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to set up a static website hosting using S3 buckets. As you know, S3 buckets is very cost effective and highly durable. A very good service within the AWS platform. Okay, so today I'll be using just a simple static website. This, as you see. Okay, so let's log on to the S3 buckets and create the buckets. Okay, this bucket is for the first website. So prior to this, I already created my domain name. So before we get started, just create a domain name. I'll go to Route 53 and you can create a domain name and we can go from there. So my domain name is Hate That I Love It. So loveit.com. We create that's for the domain name. Okay, this for the original bucket. Let's make it public so we can access it. Anyone can access it. So, so go into properties, go into static website hosting, and use the bucket for website hosting. Okay, let's type in index.com, .html, sorry. Okay, go down and save. Okay, and now let's make the bucket public. So you can go online and find a policy, but we'll just generate one. Okay, go to generate S3 bucket. And this is how you generate a policy a simple way. So we'll just make all the actions appropriable for now. Okay, and then you type in the name of the bucket here. Okay, generate policy. Copy and paste this policy and insert it inside of the JSON. Okay, and save it. You do get a warning here, but yes, we're making it public. That's okay. Okay, we go back to the bucket and we upload the index file for the static website. Okay, rewrite, yes. Standard, yes. Okay, so index index static is uploaded. So now let's create a second bucket, please. Okay, so this bucket is a redirect from heythatIloveIt.com to www.heythatIloveIt.com, and it'll redirect it whenever somebody types in this manner. Okay, we're essentially mimicking the same way we did the first, except for redirecting it this time. So properties, static website hosting, and then redirect request, and type in the name of the first bucket and save it. And let's make this bucket public as well. So we can take the same policy and just change the ARN. Okay, we've changed the ARN and we can save it. Okay. So same thing, just the warning message that the bucket is now private. Okay. So now we're done here. Can have an overview, and this should be good. So we go back. Let's go back into the first bucket. Let's make the index file public. Read object permissions and write. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for the S3. So now let's log on to Route 53 and let's make some magic. Okay, you click on hosted zones, then your domain name. Okay, you can see your domain name here, your top level domain. Okay, and we create. So for the first one, leave it blank because this is how it's going to come out. So on the alias, you search for that uh, the name of the S3 bucket. Okay, then we save it, and then we create another one for the redirect. Okay, so this one is the www.domainname.com. Alias is yes, and then we we can see it here. So click yes and create. Once it's created, whenever you decide to launch the website, it should redirect whenever anybody logs in as www dot. So let's see if it's configured correctly. Okay, so good. So now let's see if it's configured with www dot. And there you have it. Redirecting website hosting, static website hosting using S3 buckets. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. And like the like button